political developments in Tamil Nadu took a significant turn on Tuesday as V K Sasikala, a close aide of late Chief Minister J Jayalalithaa, announced that she would soon launch a new political party, signaling what she described as a new political chapter in the state. Speaking at an event held in Kamuthi to mark Jayalalitha's birth anniversary, Sasikala said the name of the new party would be announced shortly and asserted that there would be no compromise in its identity or objectives. She claimed the party would be strong enough to defeat both political opponents and what she termed betrayers. As part of the announcement, Sasikala announced the flag of the proposed party. The flag features image of Dravidian stalwart C N Annadurai, AIADMK founder M G Ramachandran and Jayalalithaa. The flag is designed as a horizontal tricolour with black on the top, white in the middle and red at the bottom. Her entry into active politics is expected to further complicate the electoral landscape ahead of the Tamil Nadu Assembly elections scheduled for April. The state is already heading towards a multi-cornered contest with the DMK-led Secular Progressive Alliance on one side and the AIADMK-led NDA on the other side. Actor-turned-politician Vijay's newly formed TVK is also set to make its electoral debut. Ahead of the event, Sasikala had hinted a major political developments, saying she would soon deliver good news. During her speech, she launched a sharp attack on her former colleague and AIADMK General Secretary Edapadi K Palaniswamy, accusing him of betrayal and alleging that the party had weakened under his leadership. Sasikala's announcement has resurfaced political debate in the state, with observers closely watching how her new party may impact traditional vote banks and alliances in the upcoming elections.